Let us go in detail about organization behavior. Today, we are going to learn about how this organization behavior is interrelated with various disciplines to get an investigation about the people and the behavior at the organization. Because this organization is a study that investigates how the individual, group, and the organization gets affected and are being affected by the behavior in within the organization settings. So let us see what is this all about. The organization behavior is generally abbreviated as OB. In the basic model of organization behavior, we can see it is having three levels. First level is individual level. We have to study the organization behavior at the individual level and also at the group level. The second level is group level and the third level is organization level. That means at the organization system level, where we'll be having the organization regulations, practices, and all the things that has to be taken into consideration. So, an organization is consciously said to be as coordinated society or social unit. I am saying that organization is a social unit because we are dealing with the people. So definitely the people are togetherly working towards a common goal. That means it is a social unit. When the people are working in a group, then we can say that it is a social unit. So it is a coordinated social unit. Why I have used the word coordinated here means because they have to work cohesively with cohesiveness, because they have to work with mutual trust with each other, with affiliation, and they should work towards a common goal. That's why the organization behavior is consciously said to be as a coordinated social unit made up of a group of people who work together towards a common goal on relatively continuous basis. So what are called as organizations? Anything, it can be departments, it can be markets, departments, where or anything where police department or all the universities, all the places where the group of people working together towards a common goal on a continuous basis or regular basis, then it is called as organization. It is called as organization. All the manufacturing units comes under organizations, all the industries, because churches also will be organized. Okay, churches, retail stores, police departments, and all the startups and all the government agencies, all these things comes under organizations. So thus when we say organization throughout, we are referring only to the large manufacturing firms, but also it is not just large organization, it also includes mom and baby care centers, mom and pop stores, as well as a variety of other forms of organizations that exist. So here thus the same definition repeated, that organization is nothing but group of people working together towards a common goal. That is what is at a regular basis or continuous basis. So here till now we have just focused on organization. Now let us talk about behavior. So while we are talking about organization, we have talked about people. Organization is nothing but peoples. Now if organization is about the people, now behavior is about, it refers to the people behavior within the organization setting. It refers to what people do in the organization, how they perform. Generally in the organization, people go to organization for rendering their services to the organization. So here behavior refers to what people do in the organization, how they perform, and what their attitudes are at the workplace. The attitudes at the workplace will be considered. So here behavior refers to the people's behavior, refers to the what people do at the organization, how they are doing the work, and what are the attitude, what kind of attitude they are carrying at the workplace. Just like some people will be tempered, some people will be very cool, and they'll be carrying, because of different constant affect the people behavior. If you like your supervisor's behavior, definitely you will be very cooperative with him. If you don't like the way your supervisors instruct you or communicates you, definitely there will be a disagreement between these two people. So it is very very difficult to organize all the people who are working together, because people are diversified, are with their behavior, with their culture, with the personalities and the perceptions. So it is very important to study the people behavior at the organization, because nobody will establish an organization just for purpose of the society. Organization itself is established to create dividends, to work or enhance the wealth of the shareholders. Organization is nothing but it is for the profit. We'll be working for the profit. If you're working for the profit, for earning money, it is very important to take care of the people who are rendering their services to the organization, right? See, OB is frequently applied to address the workplace issues like absenteeism, employee turnover, employee attrition, working in groups, teams, and employee productivity. And the most important thing is satisfaction, job satisfaction, employee satisfaction, and productivity or performance issues.